Meetings. They're the bane of your life. I bet you wish you had more of them, don't you? And I bet you wish they were longer. No, because the other day I was running this masterclass, how to make an impact in meetings, at this conference. And one of the guys, he hated his conference calls. His name was Martin. And he works with an organisation that's global, and he has people dialing in from all over the world. And he has people arriving live in his room so they can dial in all over the world to their conference call. And Martin was saying he can't stand the beginning of his meeting. He's got the first 7 or 10 minutes are literally, it's people being late, they're dialing in. And you know when people dial in, it's so annoying. It goes, blip, Jonathan, blip, Suzanne. And they just start arriving on this meeting, and you can't see them and you can't tell what's going on with their body language. But he was so annoyed that he actually has started punishing people for being late for the meeting. And he sits there in silence, kind of giving them a dirty look. And I said, here's the thing, Martin, you've got to have a strategy for the beginning of your meeting. And I call it the small talk coffee zone. You've got to have some small talk, right? Because you can't start your meeting dead on the time and then punish people for being late. People are going to be dialing in late. But that 7 to 10 minutes is a really valuable time to get to know your clients, customers, colleagues. So come up with simple conversation about gossip in your area or something easy. What kind of coffee are you drinking? Have you got donuts in today? And start coming up with some light subjects that you can break the ice with. It's small talk coffee time. So Martin, stop being in a mood and start enjoying the beginning of your meetings. And you can too.